Did you know that 1 in every 10 adults are credit invisible? That means 26 million Americans don't have a credit score or any credit history with one of the 3 nationwide credit reporting companies. Here is a pro tip to build credit: secured credit cards. This is like a traditional credit card, except you deposit an amount of money, $50 to $300, into a separate account, and the bank extends a credit line matching the deposit amount that you made. After establishing a pattern of consistent payments, many secured cards allow you to move to a traditional credit card. Banks typically report to the credit reporting companies about card activity, so you can build credit with its use. But be sure to ask your card issuer. Number 2, credit builder loans. This is when banks, typically credit unions, deposit a small loan, often $300 to $1,000, into a locked savings account. You pay the institution back with small dollar payments over 6 to 24 months, and these payments are reported to the credit reporting companies. Once you come to the end of your loan term, you receive the money back in total. These loans are great for building credit and savings that can be used however you like. Number 3, retail store credit cards. Many gas stations, department stores, or retail chains offer credit cards that tend to be easier to obtain and typically offer lower credit lines. This combination makes them a great option if you are looking to build up a thin credit record that you can fatten up later. Contact New American Funding today to learn about your home buying options.